Okay, we're back in Singapore right now, where we have the results right now of this pretty known civil negligence case involving Madam Tran Ti Fong Nga and SBS with driver Lu Nai Yu. So the incident happened when Madam Nga fell while climbing to the upper deck of a double-decker bus operated by SBST. The nature of her injuries wasn't detailed in the judgment, but she claimed to have suffered pain and suffering. The court final's decision is that they found no negligence on the part of the bus driver or SBS. Video evidence showed Madam Nga missing a step and falling as the bus started moving, not due to any sudden jerk from the driver. The arguments by the plaintiff, Madam Nga, was she argued that the driver should have waited for her to be seated before moving off, especially considering her age. Madam Nga is of course in her late 60s. She also claimed that the driver was distracted by talking to another passenger and was not properly monitoring the stairs via video feed. Allegations included that the bus moved off with a sudden jerk and the driver was steering with only one hand. In defense, the defendant, the driver and SBS, the driver denied any negligence, stating that he did not have to wait for all passengers to be seated before moving off unless they were visibly vulnerable. He maintained there was no sudden jerk in the movement of the bus and that he was in control even with one hand on the steering wheel momentarily. The judge concluded that the bus driver did not need to wait for all passengers to be seated before moving based on legal precedents from all other jurisdictions. There was no evidence of sudden movements or loss of control by the driver also. Other passengers did not lose balance, indicating no unusual movement of the bus. The judge dismissed Madam Nga's claims about the bus jerky movements and the driver's distractions. So finally, this negligence suit was dismissed as Madam Nga could not prove negligence by the defendants, leading to no further proceedings on causation or damage assessment.